Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best Au Gratin pans. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Bruntmore Set Baking Dish. Bruntmore's oven-safe Au Gratin pans give an easy cleanup and make baking a breeze. Our dishes have even heating, easy-to-clean glaze, and are long-lasting so you can bake for years to come. The durable stainless steel handles allow them to take the heat, and these heavy-duty pans are an asset in your kitchen where flavor really counts. The Bruntmore Oval Au Gratin pans will be a timeless addition to your kitchen's stylish look and functionality. This set includes a 16-oz oval gratin pan, crafted from heavyweight aluminum with a non-stick surface that's easy to clean. These pans are the perfect size for family-sized portions of favorite bakes like apple, peach, or blueberry pie, savory pies like chicken quiche. They're also great for omelets or frittatas. Perfect for commercial kitchens and cafes alike, these baking dishes would make any baker proud. Treat yourself as well as any friend or loved one to this unique gift. The perfect set is just waiting under the tree. Number 2. Sweat Au Gratin Pan. These easy-to-use Au Gratin pans are designed to make cooking easier for you. They have a comfortable handle that fits well in your hand and is sturdy enough not to tip or wobble when stacking them with other pans as they do from cheaper pots and pans. Built to last, this pan is guaranteed never to rust, chip, or peel and will survive the day-to-day wear and tear of even the most demanding cookware professional, so it will still be beautiful tomorrow. And because these particular bottoms are made from porcelain instead of more cheaply crafted metal, we can ensure that these Au Gratin pans stay pristine over time without chipping while washing them in the dishwasher. Plus it's oven safe. Number 3. bfcwn Oval Au Gratin Baking Dishes Ceramic Bakeware Set. Beautifully designed, the bfcwn Oval Au Gratin Baking Dishes Ceramic Bakeware Set is oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you won't have to worry about any sudden changes happening and ruining your dinner. With their durable, high-temperature stoneware construction, they'll withstand anything from sauces to heavy meats. An awesome addition no girl should be without. I'm a sucker for new kitchen gadgets, so what really caught my eye though is that they're dishwasher safe. Now that's good design. These Au Gratin dishes are made of ceramic, which makes them microwave safe and easy to clean. Ceramic is a great material because it resists scratching and peeling in the oven, even at high temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The headspace of these dishes lets for crisping without overcrowding foods so they don't steam each other out. They also come in 2 different sizes for cooking smaller or larger quantities of food, so they can suit any occasion from dinner time at home to seeing family or friends during the holiday season. Whether you're making lasagna, stir-fry, soup, macaroni, and cheese, you name it. These dishes will make your meal look delicious as well as make cleaning up a breeze. Number 4. Fe Small Baking Dish, Individual Au Gratin Pan 8-inch. Is perfect for making a variety of dishes. It's great for the cozy Sunday family dinner or to remove as an appetizer at your next social gathering. This dish can't go in the oven and on an induction cooker without being damaged, so please keep it away from sources of heat like kitchen stoves that use gas cooking tops. The double handles allow you to carry it with ease in any direction even after it has been preheated. Additionally, its high-quality ceramic material won't be susceptible to chips or lead poisoning upon contact with food because they've all been well prepared before coming into use, which gives you peace of mind when hosting buffet dinners. The Fe Small Baking Dish, Individual Au Gratin Pan 8-inch is perfect for a variety of foods and recipes from side dishes to main courses. Simple in shape but highly functional, it will be your go-to dish that you can shovel just about anything into. The elegant design of this glazed ceramic casserole dish makes it an ideal gift or housewarming present. Fe's individual Au Gratin pan comes with a beautiful border edge, making it suitable for any cuisine. It can also be used as containers during prep time and makes loading the oven much easier. Easily mix together baked goodies by using the 2 handles on each side of this small bakeware pot, where heat travels through easily to evenly cook food every time. Number 5. Gemmary Au Gratin Pans. Owning one of these would make cooking a breeze. The ceramic bakeware promotes efficient heat conductivity, and food will come out picture quality easily. This is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes the dishes not only desirable but practical as well. They can be put in your dishwasher for easy cleanup or hand-washed with soap or water if you want some time before they go in the dishwasher. These are perfect for lasagna, pot roast, steaks, and even cake. You'll also get used to it when making vegetables like spaghetti or burgers. Speaking of burgers, this piece is perfect for baking them on their own while still being able to put other things on the side. With their two handles, these pans are easier to take out of the oven and serve than traditional dishes. But they also last longer than your average pan since ceramic is lead-free and non-toxic, resists chipping and cracking, and doesn't leach any odors. The dishwasher doesn't have to worry about the durability either since gemmary Au Gratin pans are durable for everyday use or as serving dishes on banquet day events or parties.